welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be dipping into dip powders from MadKin Beauty. We're going to do a little bit of like a palette cleansing kind of mani, at least for me personally. These colors I would definitely consider a palette cleanser. They're very light, so that's what we're going to be doing today. And we're also using dip liquids here from MadKin Beauty. These liquids are fantastic. They have like the perfect thin consistency, and not only is that consistency amazing, but the bottles are hot pink. I just love them so much. So we're starting off right here with this beautiful, just like delicate shimmer. And it's just like a really pretty, like just like ethereal white with the most delicate shimmer. And I'm just gonna go ahead and just gently press those sides down here. And then we're just gonna go ahead and just let this nail sit for a minute before we go in with that second coat. And we're gonna go right into the other nail. I will say, when you're making press-ons and using dip liquids, the thinner the liquid formula that you have, the better outcome it's going to be for your press-ons. Because for some reason, sometimes when you're playing with dip liquids and making press-ons, they can tend to just like kind of like bulk up a little bit. That's one of the reasons why I kind of just switched over time to the gel method, because it was like a very thin consistency, easy to control. But these liquids are fantastic for press-ons. So we're gonna do 2 dips of each color today. We're gonna dust off and go in with a second coat. Now this right here, Angel Wings, it's a very beautiful color. I like this color even with 1 coat because it's super full coverage and it just gives you like this delicate touch of sparkle. I feel like it's really pretty on its own with 1 dip. So keep that in mind with this powder. It's very buildable and still looks good with 1, but just check it out with that second coat. It just kind of just like seals it in and gives it like that perfect shimmery sparkle. Overall, this is a really great color to have in your collection. It's also a good base for any decals or nail art. So awesome color to grab. And I really like how that shimmer has like this silver effect to it. So it kind of gives it more of a sparkle when that light hits it. So that's what we're doing for today's mani. We're going to keep it really simple. We're also using jelly tips today in the shape medium coffin. Now, after we are done dipping into this beautiful powder here, originally I had a different game plan, but then I was like, you know what? I want to pull in Peach Blossom for this mani as well. So that's what we're doing. We're going to add Peach Blossom to 2 nails, and then we're going to add a really fun glitter called Peachy Keen on our accent nail today. So overall, it's going to be a very just like light, refreshing, kind of a spring palette cleansing mani, and I'm totally okay with that. So Peach Blossom is really pretty. It's definitely like that light peach, and it's like creamy, but it's a very just like light peach color. It's not too overpowering, so it's really pretty. It's gonna complement so many different skin tones, and it's a perfect like palette cleansing color, especially for that springtime. All right, so enough chit chat. Let's dive into this mani process, see these beautiful colors in action, and then I'm gonna pop back in just a little bit. All right, so we're just finishing up the filing and buffing here on Peachy Keen. You can see here I ended up taking that nail off the stand. Whatever you need to do to just like perfect your nail when it comes to filing and buffing, just do that method, whatever works best for you. Sometimes when you're working with chunky glitter, it's best to almost like take it off the stand so you can really see all the different angles. So that's exactly what I did. And we're gonna dust off the rest of the powder here, and we're gonna do another layer of activator here. But filing and buffing on that chunky nail was super, super easy. I really like Peachy Keen. It was definitely a trust the process kind of glitter, as you saw there, but it's overall so pretty, and I just really love how it looks with the color combination that we did today. So we did a layer of activator that just kind of sealed in any of that powder that we disturbed, and it also cleared away any of those filing and buffing lines. Then to finish up this mani today, instead of dip liquids, I'm going to go directly in with the Extreme Shine Top Coat from MadKin Beauty, and check out the extreme shine that that top coat has to give. So I did the rest of the nails off camera, and they're shiny. They're very extreme, and I love it so much. That shine that you get from that top coat is absolutely spectacular, especially on these beautiful light colors that we use today. I really like this mani today. It's something different. The colors are just exactly what I needed for right now. I'm actually going to go ahead and make the other set so I actually can rock a set on my hand that actually matches for once. So that is the game plan after this, but I really like how these colors performed, and I love that gel top coat. If you are looking for that extreme shine, definitely grab this top coat. It's pretty fantastic. All right, so everything that we did use in today's mani can be found in that description box below, and I hope you enjoyed this simple palette cleansing mani today, and I'll see you all in the next one.